Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Vivi and you're welcome. I'm glad you stopped by. So, I'm gonna be doing jumbo box braids and my model today is my sister. This is just a quick spin of the materials we'll be using throughout this video. Oh, I forgot to mention that we are going for the bob look and I'm excited for the outcome. Right now, I'm just drying her hair because she washed and conditioned her hair this morning, so I'm just prepping her hair for the hairstyle. Alright, I'll just let you guys watch the video and I'll come back in a few. So we've just finished with drying her hair and I'm just applying moringa oil and lightly massaging it into her scalp. Moringa oil works well when massaged into the scalp. It has anti-inflammatory properties to help with scalp scaling and moisturize as well. It has zinc that helps with keratin production and this can help strengthen the hair. On the hair strands, it acts as a protectant and a moisturizer. Alright then, we are on the first braid and I'm just applying gel to the roots of her hair just to smoothen the hair and reduce flyaways. This process is completely optional. In other words, you can do the hairstyle without the gel and it'll still come out great.
Jadi bala-bala, jadi bala-bala, jadi bala-bala,
Trust me, I don't know what the lyrics mean, but the vibe just does it for us. Cause what's making hair without a little bit of fun, right?
Music, oh yeah, jadi bala-bala. Jadi bala-bala, jadi bala-bala, jadi bala-bala, jadi bala-bala, jadi bala-bala, jadi.
We are almost done and about to use fire on the tips of her hair. Not the hair, but the extensions to make it have a strong hold and to avoid it from loosening. Okay, finally we are done. What do you think about the hairstyle? Because I'm loving it. Leave your comments below, as I'd really love to read from you guys. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. I would love to have you guys back here. Once again, don't forget to like and share this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the post notification bell so that you are the first to know whenever I upload future videos. Bye!